Hey guys, welcome back and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my highlighter collection. Now, a while ago, I got a request from either Monata or Muskan to share with you my highlighter collection. And I'm sorry guys, I am a bit late, but yeah, today I decided to share with you my highlighter collection. Let me stop you here. Now, I filmed that video a couple of days ago, and when I was editing the video, I realized that the video is like too long. It's like 40 minutes long and we do not want that. So I just decided to divide the video into two parts. So in part 1, if you haven't watched part 1, I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. In part 1, I shared with you the drugstore highlighters that I have in my collection. So today is part 2. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all the high-end highlighters that I have in my collection. And instead of just showing you my highlighter collection, because of course I have had some bad highlighter moment, so I decided to share with you the best highlighters that I have in my collection. There are so many options for you. There are some affordable ones, there are some high-end ones. Like these are the best highlighters that you can get in the market. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. But before starting, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So first, I have here this Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in the shade Ballerina right here. This is a deluxe size which I got from TJ Maxx only for $5. But it is a high-end product, that's why I'm including it. And I'm wearing it right now on my cheeks. If you have watched this tutorial over here, then you can find I'm wearing this highlighter. And if you haven't watched it, I will link it down in the description bar down below. Please do check that out. I think you are going to love this look. So this little baby right here, it is so good. Like, look at this, how reflective that is. Like, look. The formula is so good. I think it is their baked formula. I'm not entirely sure. But it is so soft, so finely made. It looks so good on your cheeks. Though when you touch it or when you look at it, it looks kind of dark. It is not a champagne-y kind of highlight. This one and the Precious Petals one from Wet n Wild, they look quite similar. It has a pinkish undertone to it. But on cheeks, I don't know, it just transforms and it does not look that... Oops, I dropped something. So it does not look that pinkish, I would say. It just turns into a champagne gold pure highlight and it looks stunning. Look at this. I'm wearing it right now. Isn't it so stunning? Look at it. It is so dewy, so juicy. It looks perfect on the cheeks and it is again very long lasting. The formula is really good. Next highlighter in my collection is again a high-end one. This is the Balm Cosmetics Mini Minizer. Now, I do not know if it is high-end or drugstore here in the States or not, but in India it is a high-end highlighter. And even it is drugstore, it is quite pricey for a drugstore highlighter. It's like $25. I can remember when highlighter was first introduced in the beauty industry, people were raving about this highlighter and people were comparing every highlighter to this highlighter because it was like a cult favorite highlighter of everybody. Because of a reason, it is again the tone, the undertone, it is perfect. It is like a perfect champagne gold highlighter and it looks stunning on the cheeks. It is not powdery, it is not glittery or shimmery. It looks so good on the cheeks. It gives you that, if you want that candlelit kind of a glow, it gives you that. But if you want that blinding highlight on your cheeks, you can definitely achieve that with this highlighter. It is like, people still rave about this highlighter because it's a cult favorite highlighter and it is like one of my favorite highlighters of all time. When I was in Colorado, I took this highlighter with me and I took this highlighter and two more, of course, but I was basically using only this highlighter. Look at the shade. It is so good and you are getting a perfect mirror. It is so helpful and so good quality, and the packaging, it is sleek but compact packaging, and it is perfect for traveling. The packaging is really cute. Look at this, the packaging is so stunning. So yeah, I have this highlighter, love it. My next highlighter in my collection is again a very intense highlight, very intense highlight, and this is the OFRA Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. I reviewed this for you. I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. Again, it is so soft, so soft. It is not powdery, it is not chunky monkey glittery. It is so soft and pure highlight, and it is very intense. Like, I have enough highlighter on my cheeks, still I want to apply. Why not? Whenever I just see this highlighter, I always feel like I need this highlighter. I need to apply it right now on my cheeks. It is so intense, so good. When I first got this highlight and I just applied it on my cheeks, and it was like a strip of highlight. It was not blending properly, and I was like, I don't like it. But then I took a brush, I just tapped up the excess and I just applied it, and it was looking so intense. One more thing, whenever you are applying, or whenever you are using this highlight, just take little by little product and just layer it up. Otherwise it's going to look like a strip of highlight. It is that intense. So that's a quick little tip. This is like my one of favorite highlighters of all the time. This is so good. My next two highlighters are from Becca. First one is this Becca Champagne Pop. Again, people used to rave about this highlighter for when it first came out for a reason. I think Jacqueline Hill created this highlighter. First of all, the packaging is so good. It's like UFO kind of packaging. It is so good, and all of their products have the same packaging, and it is like truly it is champagne pop. It deserves the name champagne pop. It is a true champagne gold color, and it is perfect for all skin tone, and it is again very soft, very blinding. Jacqueline has done a great job with this formula. It is such a stunning highlight. Like, if you ask me to throw away all my highlighters, and if you ask me to keep one highlighter for myself, I will probably keep this highlighter. I love this highlighter so much. I always wear this highlighter on a regular basis, or for a like party function. I always go with this highlighter. It looks so stunning on the cheeks. It just melts right onto your skin. It is so reflective, so blinding. You can probably see the glow from the moon. I'm not even kidding. The highlighter formula is so good. The formula is, like, whenever I apply it, as if it's my own skin, it just sticks right there and it melts down onto my skin, and it gives me that perfect glowy, blinding, juicy, sweaty look. This is my all-time favorite highlighter. This is just perfection. Next highlighter is again from Becca. I think it is the limited edition highlighter. This is their Volcano Goddess highlighter, which I got from TJ Maxx. And the moment I saw it, I just picked it up. Again, the packaging is so cute. It's the same design but different color, and it is like pale gold highlight. You can see it's like yellow gold. It, like, the packaging is very similar to the shade. It's like a pure gold, yellow gold highlight, but it has like some pink bluish shift in it. It has a duochrome effect. It looks so stunning on the cheeks. I use it as my eyeshadow, but I do not use it as my primary highlighter. It doesn't look that good. Like, see, isn't it so goldeny? The formula is very similar to their champagne pop. It is so soft, so blinding, and look at the pattern. It's so beautiful. Whenever I apply this highlighter, I always mix something with it. Like, I always apply a pinkish highlight, and then I just top it up with this highlighter, and it looks so good. On its own it is so blinding, but the shade is not that perfect for me, so I always like apply it with a different pinkish undertoned highlighter, and it looks so good. Last but not least, this highlighter palette from MAC, this Hyper Real Glow highlighter palette, and this is in the shade, which shade are you? Get It Glowing. Look at the shades. These are beautiful. This highlighter palette is so good. Again, the formula is really soft, really creamy, really buttery smooth, and it just looks stunning on my cheeks. I have used it in my tutorials multiple times. You can see it looks so dewy, so juicy on your cheeks. It is just perfection. This highlighter palette is so good. It is very long lasting. It does not emphasize any texture. No matter what skin tone you have, you are going to perfect a shade for yourself as well. The shades are so universal. No matter what skin tone you have, you are going to enjoy this particular highlighter palette. And the formula is so stunning. It's not at all chalky or powdery or glittery at all. It is like pure glow, pure glow. It looks so stunning on the cheeks. I just love this palette. Though it is a bit pricey, but it is stunning. So yeah, those were the highlighters that I have in my collection, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope you guys have found at least one highlighter for yourself. And if you find my recommendations helpful, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and please stay tuned because my eyeshadow palette collection, my foundation collection, those videos are coming up pretty soon on my channel, so please stay tuned for that. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. And one more thing, I have so many dupes, highlighter dupes in this collection, which I am going to share with you pretty soon. I'm working on a dupe video, so I will probably upload it pretty soon, so please stay tuned for that. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah.